Thank you very much for, of course, for participating, for joining us. Donate natin sa ating charitable institution that we will be introduced later. But
Very short, we were able to learn new things about safety riding and everything. Ayan, and as
we also have here from ng gift certificate from ano nyo? Pakisilip.
LAD. Talk to Clyde, your coach Clyde. Kasi rider din ako eh.
For sure, marami din kayong stories. So, excited po kami makita yan. But new din po.
Ito po yung first ever loop event na na-join ko na may registration, mga ganun event.
Sa Philippine Looper, unti-unti ko na-unlock yung history.
Thank you sa Motor Clyde kasi meron pa silang safety riding clinic bago yung rides. Kaya
Successful event, zero accident at all for the whole day of this.
I would like to congratulate everyone. You are not only good rider, but you became a best rider